Hello everyone, welcome to Textile Consulting Hub. We are here in Garmentech, Istanbul, with DURKOPP Adler. This is Karin from Sales Excellence team.
Yes.
And we are going to have a presentation of some amazing automation that DURKOPP Adler is doing. So Karin.
Thank you very much, Kazan. So I would like to present you today here our 2 or 3 head serging unit. The advantage here is one operator is easily loading trousers or skirts into the machine. Performance of a machine like this would be 2,700 trousers in 8 hours working time. So you can see here the third head. We are stitching on the third head the hemming, and then the machine will start stitching the long seams, transporting the trouser from head A to head B and stack it. So the operator, if he is fast enough, he or she is fast enough, she can load up to 4 trousers at the same time on the machine, and that means we can fully overlap. We reduce the handling time, increase the machine time, and use the fully productivity of the machine.
Now the second machine presented by Karin from DURKOPP Adler.
Yes, now here we are standing at the 739, our small part preparation machine. So what we do is we are stitching small parts like, for example, waistband extension, flap, cuffs, collars, anything what is need to be prepared in the garment productions. So here, for example, I have a special template. We are using the template for 3 different shapes for waistband extension. Machine is reading the information of the shape of the seam from this chip, and by this information the machine starts and stitch fully automatic. Here I have loaded now a template for cuffs in shirts, and I will show you now how this works. The machine is recognizing on the chip the information of the seam, recognize the size of the cuff, and will stitch and cut simultaneously. So you see this here, and if I would have now smaller sizes in cuffs, very simple, the operator has to open these 2 screws, and then I could move my template here smaller or bigger. So what I do is I'm using one template for nearly all sizes. Another thing which I would like to show you is the waistband extension, as I mentioned. So here, very simple, the operator is loading the material into the template, the waistband on top, and by reading the information from the chip, the machine will start stitching. The advantage here is if I change material from thick to thin material, if I change the template from waistband extension to, let's say, cuff, collar or flaps, I don't need to adjust anything on the machine because everything is saved on the chip, and the machine starts, stitch and cut the material simultaneously.